Jai Guru. I'm an Afshin from 3A. Today I'm back with an interesting project work. First of all, I would like to thank my science teacher, Mrs. Gayatri ma'am, for motivating me to do this project. Birds are our feathered friends. Our earth belongs to them also. So, I'm going to make a bird's nest. Let's get started. I made a semicircle at the front of my nest and I made two rectangles at the sides for the window. Then I pasted plastic sheet to cover the window. Then I made roof with the top of my cardboard box. I took two big rectangular pieces of cardboard and stick them with one more small piece of cardboard, and to cover the sides I took small pieces of rectangular cardboard and covered it at the sides. At last I beautifully colored my nest. Can you see it? Now I have hanged my nest over here. Can you see it? Now I am waiting for the birds to come and